Hey adventurers, today we're going to be checking out the Peak Design Everyday Totepack. As the name suggests, it's kind of a hybrid between a tote bag and a backpack. I'm usually the one carrying the everyday backpack and the sling just because Esther makes me carry stuff. So I'm excited to have something that she's excited to carry so that she can carry some of our gear as well. Plus on our last few trips, we've been carrying multiple cameras, and so it helps for her to have one camera and me to have one camera. Usually she's just using whatever backpack she has and making do with making sure the camera is safe, but this one has dedicated camera space, which is going to be great. So let's check out the bag. Like all their bags, it is a weatherproof material. It's made out of 100% recycled material, and everything but the black is Blue Sign certified as well. As you can see, I don't have to hold on to this bag. It holds its structure. Let's start off on the back. Obviously, if you're trying to carry it just as a tote, it would be nice if these would go away. Well, luckily they do. I haven't done this yet, so we'll see how easy it is. All right, so all you have to do is actually pull this out of the loop here. Just tug this out. Oop. Tuck it away. And you can actually tuck this away as well. Boom. So as you can see, it's now clean on this side. So I'm gonna leave this one out just so you can compare. It's nice and clean, tucked away on this side. On this side, you have the strap. So you can transition between the two and just carry it like a tote if you'd like. The tote handle actually has a magnet right up top here that holds them together so that you don't have two loose handles swinging around however you're carrying it, which is a nice touch. On the front side, there is one zipper with a few organization pockets. These are great for batteries, memory cards, just any small items that you want. There is a strap in here, which I'll show you where those go in a minute, as well as kind of a keychain that falls into their whole Peak Design system, so you could actually have a camera on here, and it's latched in there. On the opposite side of that pocket, there's also some larger organization sections. So overall, a lot of different ways you can organize this area. These straps are used all across the Peak Design systems, and a great way just for you to have some more flexibility if you want to strap additional items onto your bag. There's loops all over the bag, here, 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 and all you do is you pull it in like that. And you have an additional strap. So you can put the other one just like this if you want to strap something to the front, or if you want to strap a tripod, yoga mat, or a blanket or anything of that sort, you can strap them to the bottom like this. Let's take a look inside. On this small roll top design, there is a magnet right here that holds it closed, as well as a zipper. And you could just leave the zipper open if you just want really quick access to it. Inside, you're gonna find where you can organize the main section with the little origami divider that they have, or just leave it as one big black hole. On the back side, there's an area for a laptop, which fits up to a 15-inch laptop, and a small little magnetic divider right here for other documents or tablet if you wanna keep that separate. Just like the everyday bag, this tote has access on both of the sides, which is really cool and something that kind of works seamlessly into this bag because you don't notice it as much. But you can open it up all the way through. Inside, there are these origami dividers. Pull one out to show you guys. That just Velcro to wherever you want. Now, what's nice about these is it gives you a lot of flexibility in how you want to organize and design your interior. You can fold them up, pass-through sections, you can put little cubby holes like this. There's a lot of different ways you can lay it out. Since Esther's usually only carrying one camera, I'm gonna make space just for the one camera at the bottom, and the rest of the space she can use to organize however she wants. Compared to the everyday backpack, this definitely doesn't have as much organization or as many pockets. So I would say if you carry a lot more gear, that one's definitely better. But in terms of design and sleek look, this is nice, especially if you're a girl. It looks a little more feminine than the other bag. Be sure to click in the link below if you want to pick it up. Special thanks to Peak Design for sending this along so that we could check it out, and Esther's definitely going to be rocking it. We have a couple blog posts linked below, the best camera backpacks and the best travel backpacks if you want to check those out. And if you have any other questions about this bag, we're going to start using it more. We'll be able to answer any of those questions, so leave them in the comments below as well. Thanks guys, see you later.